All right. Hello, everybody. This is Patty's Hobby World. Medusa will not let me sleep until I at least get that lipstick on. So I'm going to work on her just a little bit more, and I'm going to put myself to bed. It looks like I kind of got to fix that nose. So let's work on that nose and get some lipstick on her. Just going to kind of erase that nose and make her just a little bit more longer. Her nose, because we want her nose to be oh yeah, that's much better. I just had to flatten her. Okay, so then I'll work on her. Looks a little bit better. Let's put some lipstick on her, and then I'll look at it again in the morning. Hope everyone is having a wonderful evening tonight. I have no idea where my color chart is. I found it. The kitties are playing with it. And we'll blend. We'll do some more blending over here as well. So let's give her some 45. 45 and well, let's just do 45 for right now. Okay, where's my 45? Hold on, guys. All right, guys. So I can't find my 45. So we'll go to my rusty dusty 79 that I'm always happy with. The 79 is there. Yeah, I can't find 45. So let's do 79. So we're going to stay on this side. Let me flip her over just to make sure I stay. Hold on just a second, guys. Okay, I would really like to have that 45. Okay, I'll do 103 then. If I can find 103. Okay. I wonder where my 45 went. Alright. I still want those lips. I want them darker. I wish I can't find my one. There's 110. Let's see. 110. Just want to get her darker. Okay, I'm just going to see what I can do here. Alright, I may have to use, she's not picking up. So I'm just going to get some black out, guys, just to create. How's that? I'm just going to flip her around here. Yeah, that's enough. I don't want to do too much because I want to make the other lip on the other side even darker. Okay? And you know what? I think I'm going to do the lip on the other side blue. We might as well just have fun with all of it and just go for it. So I'll finish this out with. Okay, that's good. I like that. All right. Thank you. Number 29. Rusty Tusty. Let's do. Here's my 73. Let's do her in the middle here. Okay, let's get a little blue. And then and we are going to use 33. I think 33 on the chart. This one right here, I think that'll be good. Number 33. Alright, so let's go fishing for 33 since I can't find my... I won't be able to sleep. Trying to find out where my 45 is. Okay, now I can't find my 33. That's okay, because I'm sure... Let's check. 33. I'm sorry. Normally here it is, I found it, guys, I found it. I'm going to sharpen it up just a little bit. Now a little bit more. Okay, that's better. Okay, we're going to just... Alright, let me just get I gotta define her lips here. Okay. gonna go over here a little bit. Bring her in. All right, I think I'm gonna need, I think that looks good. I think I'm gonna need 29 again, just to get under here, because I lost her lip for a minute. There she goes. Okay. Kind of make sure you find her lips. There. Let's take a see what that looks like. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm going to bed. See you guys in the morning. Have your tea ready and your coffee or whatever it is that you're drinking. And we'll start up on her again in the morning. And I'll tell you what my plan is for her tomorrow. I've got 2 plans for her. But we're going to keep that a secret. So stay inspired and color, color, color. Thank you.